Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share with you guys Linux. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbote na bandeko nyonso tobuza kolandanga lelo na ko partager to ko coach bino Linux. Alors, nakolobela biloko mwa mingi. Nakolobela biloko ndeti command, optional, argument. Nakolobela biloko mwa mingi, okay? Alors, yeah. So you see, when we look at the command, okay, you're gonna see we have the command, we have the option, we have the argument, okay? But I'm gonna focus on that later on. So we have Unix, we have Mac, we have Linux, we have Windows. Like I say over and over, I have a lot of respect for the person who create Unix are the same person also who created the C language. The people who create Linux, his name is Dennis, the other one is Ken. Okay, Linux came up like I do believe around 1969 or something like that. Okay, and Mac came later on. After Mac, we got Windows. After Windows, we got Linux. Okay, but we have another computer. It's called mainframe. Okay, because if you look at the story of IBM, you're gonna understand. All right, so to me, I have a lot of respect for Dennis and Ken. I have a lot of respect for Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, and the guys who create the Linux. Okay, so let's move here. We got we have here the command, we got option, we got the argument. Okay, so when you see like this ls, we call this command. Now when you see ls minus, let's say for example l, in this case l is an option. And when you see for example when we put like this and we put maybe, let's say, I'm just giving example, maybe home. So in this case, this is the command, this one is the option, this one here is the argument. Okay, so that's what I put like this in case you don't get it. So this one is the command, ls. L minus something like this, in case you don't get it right, is option. Home is an argument. You may say, how, Guylain? How? When we do the demo, you're gonna understand. Okay? Ntango tokosala labe, ntango tozala na atelier tolabe okocomprendre. Okay? Alors, biloko nyonso nde nalobaka nazotangisa bino eza na niveau ya likolo, eza na école secondaire te, eza na niveau ya collège, niveau ya isita kuna to université monene. Toye na biso awa nde nakomi command, option, argument. Okay? Na biso awa yango nakomi awa. The command is either a shell command or a program name. So the command word is always the first, and the rest is either an argument or an option. Okay? We come here, it's the same thing in case take some note. Come here in case you don't get it. So sometimes you see this one is dash. The option is always preceded by a dash. Okay? So I'm here. That's what I put like this in case you don't get it right. Okay? So in case you want to take some note, go ahead. And then when you see I type ls means it's gonna listing directory and the file when we type this command. Okay, when we have ls -l, so it's list the file in the current directory. Okay, directory is like a folder. So ls -la list all the file in directory. Okay, so cd with no the other option or argument return you to your home directory. Okay, come here. So this command, when you tap it, it's gonna change your password. We're gonna do the demo later on. Okay, list where I put, it's gonna list the directory and the file. So list /bin to list the file and the directory of specific directory. cd / change the directory. Okay, so I put like this in case you don't get it right. So we come here. To change the directory, you're gonna type cd Africa, cd Asia, cd Europe, cd America, cd Australia. Okay, maybe in case yeah. So we come here. When you type cd data, something like this, means to move up one level in the directory tree. You're gonna see this one, you're gonna see it, but if in case you don't get it, it's okay. PWD stands for print working directory, or PWD display the name of the current directory. Okay, when we do the lab, you're gonna understand. You see this one, this, we call this the pap. Okay, not the pap you drink, no. It's the pap symbol between the two command, with or without a space on both sides of the pap. Okay, so you're gonna, when we do the demo, you're gonna understand this. Okay, if you don't get it right now, it's okay. Come here. Yeah, this one, the command I put here. If you don't get it, it's okay. When we do the demo, you're gonna understand. Sometimes when you wanna to list something and the name is so long, all right, or maybe you don't wanna type everything, we use this like this. Okay, we come here, display the file context with the cat. Okay, come here. Let's say we wanna see what is inside of Angola. Okay, we can use the cat. Okay, that's what I put like this. Instead of using more display the file, we use cat. Okay, yeah, the man, that's why I put like this. Man is used to looking up information about the command and to get pointer for using them. Okay, yeah, that's what I put like this. Okay, yeah, put them like this in case you want to take some note, you don't get it. When we do the demo, you're gonna be all right. Yeah, so it's not that long video, it's just a part of the lecture. So in case you don't get it, watch them over and over, you should be good. And then when we do the lab, you're gonna be all right. So